Have you ever seen a singer get hiccups during a live performance? That would be terrifying. You're a professional musician. I am too. We've played a lot of gigs.
We've seen 100 faces and we've rocked them all.
It reminds me of the Avril Lavigne, The Office.
Oh, yeah.
He was like, Avril Lavigne had pimples, and what did he say? She rocked harder than anyone alive.
Yeah.
It's a pimple, Phyllis. Avril Lavigne gets them all the time, and she rocks harder than anyone alive.
That's right.
Anyway, so I thought about this because we're at the lounge and Romano started getting hiccups.
Right.
And I was like, have you ever seen a singer get hiccups during a live performance? Don't stop believing. Hold on to that. I mean, this would be
somewhere in the...
or if you hiccup during the note. No.
Yeah.
Like, how do you come back from that?
My microphone's off.
That would be terrifying.
Oh, yeah, for sure.
Because as a guitar player, if I hiccup, I'm good.
Right.
Drummer, you're probably good. Probably a little harder for you because it's...
Yeah, but nobody's going to notice.
No. You have the hiccups as a singer, that must suck.
In trouble.
Have you ever seen it? I don't
think so. Not that I can recall anymore.
Well, all you singer friends out there, I hope I have not jinxed you. May you never get hiccups.
The announcer jinx. It happens. Twerk Ethic Show. You're listening to Twerk Ethic Show.